Hey guys, I got some PR from Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm going to do an unboxing with you guys really quick and easy unboxing. I'm not going to be trying on anything right now, but I'm going to be showing you all the goodies I got. They sent over a Pillow Talk 24-hour lift effect mascara. Mini. No, this is a full size. This is what that looks like. Great mascara. They sent me the Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand. This is the liquid blush. They sent it to me in the shade Pillow Talk. I don't have this one. And this is just your sponge tip applicator. Excited to try that one out. I don't have that shade. They sent over the lip cheat in Pillow Talk with their neutral Pillow Talk shade. And I know I have these in minis. I don't have a full size. They sent over their setting spray, which I have a bunch of those. Time for a giveaway. I got an eyeliner in Pillow Talk. I don't really use eyeliner that much, but maybe I should try. So let's watch the eyeliner. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's like a wine kind of color. I like that. Maybe I should apply some today. Then I got a Matte Revolution lipstick in Pillow Talk Medium, which I already do have this, so I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. Guys, I already have a bunch of accumulated goodies for a giveaway for you guys. What the shade looks like. And last but not least, they sent over the luxury palette, the Pillow Talk luxury palette in Pillow Talk. And I have this palette already. I actually have two of these. A beautiful palette. I do have it on today. I have a bunch of Charlotte Tilbury on today. I'm pretty much everything is Charlotte Tilbury except like the base and my eyebrows and the lashes. Everything else is Charlotte Tilbury. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful, beautiful palette. All right, my loves, that's what I got in my PR. I hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe I should tell you what I have on. So what I have on for my makeup today is that palette. I used, did I tell you what shades I used? I don't think I told you what shades. But I have that Pillow Talk palette on my eyes. Cheeks, I have the Cheek to Cheek in Pillow Talk. I love these. I love these blushes. Like, they're just gorgeous. Look at that. That's what I have on my cheeks today. And then on my lips, this is like my combo right now. I love this. This is the Lip Cheat in Crazy in Love. And I love this shade because it's like a perfect shade for like every single day. And then of course, my Holy Grail Crystal Elixir Lip Oil. So that's the combo that I've been using lately. I love it. Absolutely love it. And, you know, my brows and my lashes, I'm still doing the Essence Call Me Queen. And yeah. All right, my loves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.